In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your product price in bulk directly with the Shopify editor. Let's say that here we have a French store with a glasses collection, and I want to edit all the product here with a new price, let's say at 25 euro. So now here on the Shopify product page, I can filter here by collection and search for the collection I want to edit. So the glasses in French is lunettes. Here I have all the products I want to customize, so there are only 13. I can click here on bulk edit, and here you can add the different columns about price. We have like the base price, unit price, the compared price. Okay, so here for example I want to change the base price at 25, so I can scroll from the top to the bottom, click on the first here, and in the last one with shift. Now I can go back here and put now I can go back here and put the price at 25. I click on save, and if you refresh the page, it should be updated in your website. Here you see 25 euro. Now we don't see the discount anymore because the compared price is lower than the base price. So let's say that you want to show cross price. You put here a higher pricing at compared price, let's say 30 euro. I click on save, and you will see that there are like 5 euro discount here with the strike-through pricing here. Okay, so that's how you can do it in bulk with the Shopify editor. Now let's say that you want to do more advanced pricing. For example, you want to edit this collection but put a new price that is like 10% lower. You can do it by using different apps. For example, Smart Bulk Price Editor that you can find on the Shopify App Store, and you can create a campaign like with 10% discount on the base price. You can give it a name, description, but here is the rule that will be applied to your campaign. Now we want to edit the price. We want to decrease the price by 10%, and maybe you can add also a rule on the compared price that you want to decrease also by 10%. You can also round the pricing because maybe you want it to finish by 99. Okay, you can select the collection you want to target. So here we can select, for example, glasses collection again. I can see the preview on what the rule will do. So the new price is not 25, it's 10% lower and rounded by 99. Same for the compared price. Okay, I click on next. I can choose to apply the campaign now or later in the future, and I can also choose to revert the price to this original price, so at 30 and 25 euro. For this campaign, let's say that I want to apply now and revert the price like in the future. So we are the 1st July, and I wanted to roll back the price at 8.50. Okay, in 5 minutes. So we will change the price now. We launch the campaign. Once it's active and finished to process, we will see the changes on the website. I can refresh already maybe. You can see the new price is applied here with 10% discount in the base price, but also in the compared price. Okay, and now if we wait like 5 minutes, the revert will be applied because we chose to schedule the campaign here to automatically revert to the original price in the future. So this can be for temporary discounts that you want to automatically revert without having to come back and put the old price. You can also manually revert the price if you want. Okay, and if we refresh, we will have the old price with 30 here and 25 euro. Okay, I can refresh because it's still processing. Now it's already reverted, so if I refresh, you see the price is now the old one. So I hope this video helped. Don't hesitate if you have questions, and see you later.